Hello everyone, it's Hiren here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $2,000 per day on YouTube just re-uploading videos. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial that is never seen before. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe because I upload videos daily on how to make money online and you don't want to miss out on that. Let's jump straight into this video. You can see that this channel has 1.2 million subscribers and they're uploading no copyright music videos. Let me explain how this works. Let's click on this video. You don't need to get millions of views to your video because you're going to be uploading multiple videos per day with this simple trick that I'll show you. I will show you how to easily create no copyright music videos. Here you can see that these videos are not getting millions of views per day, but still they are making a lot of money. Let me explain how these channels grow and how they're getting views. For example, let's play this video. You can see that they've mentioned that this is a no copyright music, meaning that if you use this music, you will not get any copyright strike. And you can see right here in the description, they're uploading no copyrighted music and you can use this music in your video and you won't have any copyright issues. Let me show you what this channel is doing wrong in my opinion. You can see that they only have 699 videos uploaded, and I saw in the channel that they only upload one video a day, which is very low according to me. I would upload 5 to 10 videos daily because you can easily find non-copyright music. So all you have to do is create your own thumbnail and upload it on YouTube. I'm going to show you where you can find these beautiful thumbnails so you can easily upload at least 5 to 10 videos a day. Let's say that this channel is getting paid $2 per 1,000 views. The reason why they must be getting paid $2, which is very low, is advertisers don't spend that much money on music videos. So that is why you're going to be earning around $2 per 1,000 views, which is very low. But right here you can see how it all adds up. Let's calculate how much this channel earns. You can see that this channel has got 5.7 million views in the last 30 days. So we are going to divide that by 1,000 views and we are going to multiply it by $2 per 1,000 views. This channel is easily making $11,000 per month just from ad revenue, and this is really crazy because they're not even putting in that much work to make $11,000 monthly. For example, let's say I upload 10,000 videos on my channel and every single video got around 100 views per day. That would be 1 million views per day, which is actually a crazy amount of views. I would be able to earn $2,000 per day on average. So the key to this method is to upload as many videos that you can. And uploading 5 to 10 videos is very easy. Let's have a look at this second example. In this channel, Audio Library, you can see right here they're uploading non-copyright music as well. And again, in my opinion, they're not uploading enough. They're uploading only one video per day. Here you can see that they've uploaded 3 videos in a day, but that is also not enough. So I'm going to show you how you can easily create these videos for free and re-upload them and get paid via AdSense. Let me show you stats of this channel. Here you can see that they're getting 500,000 to 600,000 views every single day, which means they make around $1,000 passive income, which is really amazing. Let me show you how you can find these videos. You can see in the title they've mentioned that this music is non-copyright. So what you can do is you can go and re-upload all of this content from all of these channels, and it's very easy to find these videos. All you have to do is go and search for non-copyright music on YouTube. You will find tons and tons of different channels and a lot of videos that you can re-upload to your YouTube channel. But the catch is that you cannot just download and re-upload all the videos to your channel, as YouTube does not promote duplicate videos. What you need to do is create your own thumbnail, and let me show you an example let's click on this video. Right here you can see it's a non-copyright music video. So what you want to do is copy this link of this video and go to a YouTube downloader. You can use any that you can find online. I'm using this one, and right here it's free. So just paste the URL right here and you can go and download the video or MP3 file. We are going to be downloading the MP3 file. It is going to take a few seconds to download, and I'm going to show you how you can create your own video. Here you can see that we've downloaded the music, and now what we need to do is we need to find a thumbnail that we can use in our video. To find the image that we will use, go on unsplash.com. This is the website that I use to download free images. Let's click on nature and you can find really amazing thumbnails. For example, let's use this one. We're going to click on download for free and download this image. Then what we're going to do now is take this music and this image, and we're going to create a video from it. You can use any online video editor to create your video for free. I use Camtasia Studio. If you want to use any other video editor, you can go on Google, search online video editor or free video editor. You'll find lots of other video editors that you can use for free. I use Camtasia Studio to create these videos. I'm going to import the music file and the image. I'm adding the image to track 1 and music file on track 2. And we're going to match the resolution of the video right here. We are going to match the resolution of the video, and right here you can see we are going to put the same length of the video. And keep in mind that you don't want to keep the video length to be the same. Like this video is 3 minutes and 3 seconds long. Don't keep the video length exactly 3 minutes and 3 seconds. What you can do is cut 2 seconds or 3 seconds off the video. You can see our video. It's now 3 minutes long, and that's it. The video is ready. It took us around 20 seconds to create one video. Let me play the video. You can see the image displaying and the music playing. You can go on Unsplash, download beautiful images, create your own videos and re-upload the videos to your YouTube channel. And once you reach 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, you can monetize your videos with ads. I think this is one of the easiest way to make money online on YouTube. That's it for today's tutorial. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you press the subscribe button, and also please like this video to support me for making free content. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon. Bye.